It's 10 o'clock. Are you gonna stay in bed all day?
Maybe. I like it here.
Oh, I feel like we become like strangers.
Well, I was taught never to talk to strangers.
Fun.
I'm trying to be.
I'm sorry you're upset.
Really? Because last time I checked, everything was all my fault.
I never said that.
Not in those exact words.
Hello,
Sandy?
Rebecca.
Now I'm up.
As long as you don't flee, we have a chance with your case. Please, stay where you are.
Hello?
Hey, honey.
Hi.
I tried you last night.
I got your messages. I passed out early. It was a long day at the office.
Oh. Well, I was hoping the rain would have stopped by now, and then they said that the road opened up, but...
Right. The conveniently washed out road.
Believe me when I tell you, I'm walking home if I have to.
Just get home. One way or the other.
I'll see you soon.
Slowly walking down the hall, faster than a cannonball. Where were you while we were getting high? Someday you will find me caught beneath the lead star.
You checked the bus.
I told you, nothing is keeping me from you.
Is it over?
I promise you it never started.
In a champagne supernova, champagne supernova in the sky. Wake up at dawn and ask her why. Dream a dream, she never died.